Good morning, people. Welcome to Naked Spanish. My name is Carla Diaz. I'm a private Spanish tutor from Venezuela, but I live here in Medellin, Colombia. And today, in lesson 1, we're going to learn el alfabeto, the alphabet, okay? First, we're going to learn the names of the letters. La primera letra, the first letter is A. A de Ana. Ana, the name Ana, okay? B. B de beso. B. C. C de carro o C de Carla. D. D de dedo. E. E de elefante. The big animal. Elefante. F. F de foca. That's another animal. Foca. G. G de meow. Gato. Okay, so let's stop here. In the alphabet, we have some special letters that we're going to see one by one, okay? This is one of them. G is also one of them. H. H. H de hijo. Okay? Che. This is actually not in the alphabet anymore, but I wanted to put it here to explain something. La letra H in Spanish is silent, mute. You don't say it, never, nunca, okay? Except when it's after the C. And then we create the che. Che de chicharrón. Paisas love chicharrón. I. I de iglesia. Church, iglesia. Yeah, sorry for religious people. I'm not. Okay, J. J de José. Okay, José, the name José, Don José, José Cuervo. You know that one too, right? K. This is a special letter too, because we have it in our alfabeto to talk about words that have the origin in different language. For example, karaoke or kiwi. And in Spanish, we use it a lot for names. My name is Carla with C, but there are also Carlas with K. So it's very common for names. L. L de Laura. That's another name. Laura. Double L or Elle, this is another letter that is not in the alphabet anymore. But again, I wanted to put it here. Double L de llave, keys, llave. Okay? M. M de mamá, mother, mamá, mom. Or M de Manrique, that's a barrio here in Medellin that you should come and visit. It was super dangerous before, but now it's super cool and chill. I had the best party there. N. N de Nicaragua, the country, Nicaragua. N. Ñ. Ñ de ñoño. Ñoño, it's like it's like a nerd. It's a way to say nerd in Spanish, or someone that is, I don't know, maybe fat and clumsy. That's a ñoño. Okay? You can say niño too. That's not a ñoño. Okay, O. O de oso, the animal, another animal. Oso, big bear. P de Pedro. O P de Peter. Pedro, Peter. It's the same. Es lo mismo. Q. Another special one. Q de queso o de quesadilla, right? The Mexican dish. R o R. R de ratón, mouse, ratón. S. S de sapo, another animal. I think I like animals, it's true. It's very easy to remember that way. S de sapo. T de tetero o T de teta. You will learn that one too. Teeth. Teta. U. U de uva. That's a fruit. Uva. Uva. Okay. Ube. This one has many names, depending on the country you are. For example, in Venezuela, we call it B pequeña. But here in Colombia, they call it ube. Right? Because it's kind of like a U, but it's not a U, it's actually a B. So they say ube. Okay? So, ube de vaca. Vaca. I don't know the sound of the vaca. Double B, another special one. Double B also has different names. Could be double B, I like double B. V double, and that's it. So this letter is like the letter K. We have it in the alphabet for the words that have the origin in a different language. For example, when we want to write Washington, obviously we use the same letter in English. And it's also common for names like William or Wilmer, but in Spanish we would say William, Wilmer, right? X, de dos X, the beer, right? X. So that's a way to remember this one. Y de yo. Z de zapato. Let's continue with la letra G. G de gato. Remember? So, la letra G has two sounds. Suave, smooth. Suave, right? And fuerte. Fuerte, strong, fuerte. Okay? El sonido suave, the soft sound is G, he. G, he. Okay? Now, the strong one is ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Again, ga, ge, gi, go, gu. What do you notice here? Okay? So, for making the strong sound with the letra E and letra I, we need to add a U in between, right? Because without that, then it's soft, okay? It's he and he. So we add it, but the U, it's silent. You don't say gue, you say ge, gi, no gui, gi, okay? So, in Spanish, in el castellano, we have an accent, tilde, okay? Well, we have another type of accent, and the name is diéresis, and it's these two little dots here. And the way we use them is just with la letra G, when we have the strong sounds ge and gi, but now you want to pronunciate the U, because remember, as I said before, here is silent, right? The U, it's silent, okay? Ge. But now is for any reason, because the word is like that, you need to pronunciate the U, then we add the diéresis, like here. Gue, gui. See, it's like making a smiley face, See, now the U is smiling, it's like, hey, say my name, I'm here, say my name, gue, gui, okay? Let's see some examples of words. For this, the suave, soft sounds, he, we have gente, people, gente. It's a singular word, by the way. Gente, la gente, okay? For he, we have gitana. Gitana, 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 tu pelo, tu... That's a song I like. Gitana means gypsy, okay? Gitana. Then we have guerra for the strong sound, fuerte. Guerra, which is It's a good example, but the word maybe is not that nice. It means war, like first word, second word, guerra, okay? Guitarra. Do you know this one? Guitarra, okay? And now, let's see two examples for gue and gui. Remember now, gue, gui, gui. Antigüedad. Antigüedad. It's something old and it worth a lot. Maybe like La Mona Lisa or what else? Anyway, antigüedad. Antique, okay? That's what that means. Antique, antigüedad. Then we have vergüenza. Vergüenza, shame. Vergüenza, shame. Vergüenza, okay? Another example, I didn't have the example here, is pingüino. What is that? Pingüino. The animal, right? Penguin. Pingüino. Or lingüística. That would be an example for this one too. Lingüística, which is language. Huh? Now let's continue with the letter C, S, X, and Z. Okay? La letra C has two sounds too. Strong, K, K, Q. Carro, cucaracha, that's a nasty animal, cockroach. Coconut, the fruit, delicious, I love coconut. Okay, so let's not focus in the strong ones. Those are easy, are very similar to English, right? But let's focus in the soft ones. C and C. So, when la letra C, it's with the vowel E, then we say C. Or when it's with the letter E, we say sí. Okay? Ejemplo, cena, dinner, la cena, the dinner. Or cigarro, cigarro, cigarette. Okay? Bien. Now, la letra S, X, and Z in Spanish and here in Latin America has the same sound. When they are like this, it's the same sound. So I would say sa, se, si, so, su, sa, se, si, so, su, and sa, se, si, so, su. Yeah, that's right. It's the same. Okay? There's some exceptions that I'm going to explain. So, ejemplo. Si de silla, chair, silla, where you sit, or sexo. You like it? I like it. Okay, so X. La letra X, when it's before the vowel, like this, the sound, as I said, is sa, se, si, so, su. Ejemplo, xilófono, the instrument, tin, 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 xilófono, right? It sounds the same. Xilófono, silla, same sound. Except, when do I have the X sound? The X sound is when the X is between vowels, like sexo, 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 okay? Or when it's with another consonant like texto, texto, okay? Or anexo, or éxito, the huge supermarket we have here in Colombia, right? Z, sa, se, si, so, su. Ejemplo, zapato or zorro. Zorro. That's another animal. I said like gringo, zorro. It's zorro. Okay? My name is Carla Diaz, and if you need to learn Spanish fast, you can book classes with me at SpanishWithCarla.com or contact me on Instagram, the same, Spanish with Carla. And guys, I hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as I did making it. And don't forget to follow the channel, subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy more free videos for learning Spanish. Bye bye. No, I'm hitting the wall like my ex-boyfriend who cheated on me with a Ukraine girl. Okay, cool. That's